That's going to be all. He got a weak horn, so he surprised me one day and he does straight horn on it now. Just a reminder, Alan Amos out of Rushville.
Oh yeah, it was.
Super stock checks are ready in the red trailer, guys. Super stock checks are ready in the red Dunk County Tractor Puller trailer. Kevin Gettinger, the ugliest truck ever. The old cab over. How's that? Jason Van Osdal, 94 International. Van Osdal Farms Trucking. That's it. Believe they're still open. When I get done here, I'm going to slip over and get me a cup, see if they do. Colder Farms, Jeff Colder and the Ford. That's going to be all. Colder, Jake Hall. The ugliest truck ever, Kevin Gettinger, the leader, 322 and 2. That's all it is. Your leader, the ugliest truck ever, Kevin Gettinger. Another fighter, look at this, look at this! Ah! The ugliest truck ever, still got the Ford.
He tried all the shit.
He pulled earlier. Jeff folded 273 and 10. We're paying 5 places, and we're only paying 1 place per truck. So if this guy finishes in top 5, they'll only get whoever went to front